Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to lesson 11. Lesson 11. Describing people. Describing people. Young people. This is a baby. Baby. Toddler. Usually when a baby is around 2 years old, we say toddler. Toddler. Child. Boy. Girl, kid, teenager, adolescent, man, adult, woman, adult, old person, adult, and these are called grown-ups. Toddler is a baby who is starting to walk. Adolescent is a person or a young boy who is in the process of developing from a child into an adult. Okay, teenager, this is the ages between like 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. These ages are called teenagers. Teenage. Eyes can be gray, they can be brown, they can be green, they can be blue or hazel. What eye colors do you have? Or what's his eyes color? You can say gray, he has gray eyes, brown eyes, green eyes, blue eyes, or hazel eyes. Hair can be bald or gone. Bald means no hair, you don't have any hair. Or they can be fair and short. Blonde is this color, okay? The yellowish or golden color hair is called blonde. Or straight means, okay, straight. Brown and curly, brown and curly. Light brown or spiky. Red auburn, long. Dark brown, gray, or wavy. Choose some words to describe your hair. What kind of hair do you have? Or what kind of eyes do you have? People can be confident, calm, graceful. She is confident, calm, and graceful. Calm means relaxed. Or people can be worried, scared, or clumsy. Scared, worried. Or people can be helpful. Greedy is the person who wants what others have. Greedy. Hungry, kind, polite, happy. Sad, this person is sad. Naughty, quiet. Surprised. Asleep, awake, confused, noisy, lazy, strong, funny, funny, smart, smart, smart.